Hi everyone, this is me again, Kenneth Paul Bermejo. Welcome to Alexandria Model House. You have two-story, single detached. You have here four bedrooms and two toilet and bath. Upon entering Alexandria Model House, we have here our carport. Tara, pasok tayo. This is our living area where you can actually have your visitors. We have here the dining area. Our dining area is quite similar to other model house unit na pinuntahan natin. We have here our kitchen. Our kitchen is so nice, right? And ito yung pinaka back area natin. And then here's a ground floor. We have another set of room kasi most of our client yung mga parents nila, they want to stay here para hindi aakyat sa taas. And we have here, toilet, again. Let's go upstairs. Again, mataas pa rin ang ceiling natin dito sa Arcadia. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng mga design, wallpaper. Well, Alexandria, it is actually 122 SQM floor area. So, meron tayo ritong set of room. Well, it is actually three sets of rooms. You have here our room ng mga daughter or son. Here in the middle, we have our master's bedroom. Maganda rin na pagkakadesign nila. We have here baby's room. Galing ng mga wallpaper na ginamit. And then katabi ng baby's room, we have here our toilet. And then we have also our balcony. Pwede kang mag-coffee sa morning while meditating. Look the surroundings. It's very peaceful. Di ba nakaka-relax? While nagmumuni-muni. Let's go. Let's go downstairs.